And we also have a practical example of defensive security. What would be a typical task that you will be doing as a security analyst? Click on view the site. All right. All right. Okay. A day in the life of a junior associate security analyst. Inspect the alerts in your SIEM dashboard. Find the malicious IP address from the alerts. Make a note of it and then click on the alert to proceed. All right, let's see. We have countries. So we see traffic from 30% is suspicious, 30% is attack, and 40% is information. Informazione. The most information comes from UK, then US, Brazil, Russia, Korea, and China. China. Oh, we see that. Okay, so we have a successful SSH authentication attempt to port 22 from IP address. We also have on port 22 an unauthorized connection attempt. We have a user login, multiple failed login attempts from John Doe. After that, he just found the password. Login failure. Specified account password has expired. All right. Okay, now if we click on that one, there are websites on the internet that allow you to check the reputation of an IP address to see whether it's malicious or suspicious. All right, let's see again. Wait a second. I can't copy it. Okay, I'll go like copy. Let me see. All right. There are many open source databases out there like Abuse IPDB. All right, let's go there. Let's go there right now. Okay. All right. Oh, domain name. We can go by domain name also. All right. We can also see the IP, right? And we see the ISP. Amazon Technologies Incorporation. This IP was reported five times. Confidence of abuse is 0%. All right. Domain name, usage type, data center, web hosting, transit, country, US, city, Virginia, Ashburn. We also have Cisco Talos Intelligence, where you can perform a reputation and location check for the IP address. All right, let's go there too. Okay, here. Reputation lookup. All right, let's find this IP. Let's see what we'll get. All right. Loproxy does his thing. All right. The sender IP reputation is good also. Okay. Whois can't find, so it's not working. Whois is not working in here. We can't find any result. Possibly IP address allocated, or its QE server is not available. Okay, cool. Actually, let's scan this one. Let's scan that one under. Was found in our database. This IP was reported 2 times. from India. Bengaluru, Karnataka. Digital Ocean LLC. Was found in our database. Confidence of the IP being malicious is 100% malicious. Here it says country China. But in here it says actually is India. Okay, we can obviously see that this is just a special crafted little application. All right, next. We shouldn't worry too much if it was a failed authentication attempt, but you probably noticed the successful authentication attempt from the malicious IP address. Let's declare a small incident event and escalate it. There is some great stuff working at the company, but you wouldn't want to escalate this to the wrong person who is not in charge of your team or department. Wait a second, we saw a successful... We saw an attempt. We saw an attempt, but we saw an attempt, but here it says, but you probably noticed the successful authentication attempt. Well, let's say probably. Okay, sales executive, we won't escalate to him. Security consultant. No. Information security architect, no. Yes, this security operations center team lead. Yes, I would say this because the sales executive, he doesn't have the information in order to deal with this event, and also he's not trained for this. A security consultant is basically, it could have the information what to do in this kind of action, what actions to take. But let's go further. Information security architect. This is just the guy that designed this, let's say, our infrastructure. And the team lead is basically the person who has the authority to give his word if this kind of situation happen. So this will be my bet. Let's see. You got the permissions to block the malicious IP address. As you can see, the permissions. You got the permissions. That is why I chose the team lead, because he has the authority to give you the permission. And now you can proceed and implement the block rule. Block the malicious IP address on the firewall and find out what message they left for you. All right, let's see if we still have the IP address. Yes, we have it. You blocked the malicious IP. Now we have TryHackMe threat blocked. Let me see what it says in here. Let's also copy that one. You are part of a security operations center. Oh, actually, we have some context. We probably should read this before jumping on the exercise. You are part of a security operations center responsible for protecting a bank. This bank's cyber security operations center uses a security information and event management system. A security information and event management system gathers security related information and events from various sources and presents them via one system. For instance, you would be notified if there is a failed login attempt or a login attempt from an unexpected geographic location. Moreover, with the advent of machine learning, security information, event management. I'm always bad with acronyms. Acronyms kill me. Security information and event management system might detect unusual behavior such as a user login in as a user logging in at 3 a.m. when we usually logs in only do wait Jesus Christ, let's retry it. Moreover, with the advent of machine learning, a security information and event management system might detect unusual behavior, such as a user logging in at 3 a.m. when he usually logs in only during working hours. In this exercise, we will interact with a security information and event management system to monitor the different events on our network and systems in real time. Some of the events are typical and harmless. Others might require further information from us. Find the event flagged in red, take one of it, and click on it for further inspection. Next, we want to learn more about the suspicious activity or event. The suspicious event might have been triggered by an event such as a local user, a local computer, or a remote IP address. To send and receive postal email, you need a physical address. Similarly, you need an IP address to send and receive data over the internet. An IP address is a logical address that allows you to communicate over the internet. We inspect the cause of the trigger to confirm whether the event is indeed malicious. If it is malicious, we need to take due action, such as reporting to someone else in the cyber operations center, security operations center, and blocking the IP address. Okay, so here it says that with the advent of machine learning, security information and event management might detect unusual behavior, right? Such as the user logging in at 3 a.m. when he usually logs in only during working hours. So I guess this is the thing that we saw in the exercise when it says that the user successfully logged in. Let's see if it works. And yes, there we go.